A ke ne pea kai te rongo tētahi kai kauni hera o te whanganui atara I te ngau o ana mahi nō nā ka huri tuarā ki o nā nō kai kauni hera I a rātau e waiata ana I tētahi waiata Māori I tētahi hui a te kauni hera mō tēnei mea te pōti mana whenua Māori. Kei a Eruera Rerekura ngā whakamārama.
E me I ana rā ki enei kai kauni era tokorua kia wānanga ia tonutia ngā tikanga pōti mo te unga mana whenua.
I was aware that there could be a challenge and had prepared another avenue which we got through successfully. So we will have the process of talking with mana whenua about being at the table and having voting rights and remuneration.
E ara I te mea e ngāwari ki te tauringa wakaro o ō rātou o a kaimai.
We have an obligation to authentically work with mana whenua. So yeah, I think it's a shame that some of our colleagues don't see the value in that and that there is a bit of pushback and a bit of hesitance.
A I tauri te kai kauni ira a Sean Rush I tana tuarā ki te I waiata. Ai tāna e to'u tēnā o te wakatīkai.
That's a really disrespectful thing to do. You don't turn your back. We know we're all outraged when we see people disrespect the All Blacks when they're doing the haka. There's just certain things that you don't do, and especially not when you're an elected representative.
Turning your back on anyone talking or speaking or singing is a clear sign of disrespect, and it is disappointing. I think in any culture, if you turn around when something is happening that is clearly significant.
Engari, ei tā Sean Rush, ka tai te pō e tanga ko tērā.
I'm a bit of a hyperactive fella. If you ever do watch me in council meetings, I swing around and also compose myself to think about what I'm going to say next. And it was just a bit unfortunate. And I was actually horrified when it became clear to me after Councillor Day had spoken and mentioned how disappointed she was. It suddenly dawned on me what had happened. So I went and found Councillor Day as quickly as I could afterwards. We had a phone conversation where I apologised and she accepted that apology.
He didn't want to be disrespectful, but I think he is grappling in his own way with something which he is struggling to understand, and so at this point in time I would like to work constructively with him to help him understand how to incorporate a worldview that he really just doesn't understand.
Kia waka wānui ia te wakaro o te kauni ira o Pōneke. Iruere Rerekura, te karare.